Hello, happy Friday. Welcome to Avio's Journey. Today we're going to be talking about growth opportunities, right? Where is the market going? And how we can capitalize on it, okay? So I'm super excited to talk to you about that today. Don't forget to check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy. We're offering $24 only to join for the first month. This is a great opportunity to dip your feet in, check us out, see what you if you like it, as well as all the live classes, free courses, and access to Academy Voices Entertainment, which is our super excited and growing really quickly entertainment company where we're getting voiceover work for voice actors and so forth. So really excited about that. But let's go ahead and dive into where is the industry headed, what's happening. Something that I'm very passionate about and I see happening a lot is audio entertainment. Audio entertainment is, even though the AI voice and the cloning has tried, no one is really interested or happy, at least not the fans or the people. They're not buying any of the AI stuff. So it's a good thing. Audio entertainment has been skyrocketing. Audiobooks, meditations, animations, audio dramas, podcasts, anything where it's, audio entertainment. Those seem to be really going well. So getting your, getting your hooks in there, getting started in that part, really getting involved with audiobooks, with, like I said, meditations, affirmations, audio dramas, performance character work, independent work is skyrocketing, right? We're all trying to get away from the corporations, okay? And with webtoons, anime, and manga, and these amazing storytelling devices, okay, they are progressing to becoming also more film oriented as well, in the sense that they are still animations, which are hugely popular as well. Okay, and it's uniting the world with entertainment as opposed to it just being, the gatekeepers per se in Hollywood and stuff. So there's a lot of opportunity for us in the audio entertainment industry, and that's a great way to get started in that as well. I'm seeing also dubbing, okay, which kind of also goes somewhat in the audio entertainment, but not fully. They're dubbing it for everything, whether it's, political, politicians in different languages, whether it's a navigational app, right, in Germany that that needs to be dubbed in English, or vice versa, whether it's a game, an old anime film, whether it's anything, a commercial. Dubbing is a huge thing. Localization, meaning like, being very localized to your area. We, for a long time as voice actors, especially in the United States, the neutral American accent has always been the primary accent that everybody wants, because it can kind of cut across lines of localized areas, right? But localization is becoming even more popular, where people are really focusing their efforts on targeting areas, whether it's in the United States or with other countries around the world. It doesn't matter. Localization is really big. So whether you speak one language, two languages, three languages, no matter what language you speak, dive into that. Don't think that you have to speak English, okay, and that you have to have some American accent. Okay, more now than ever, especially in the United States, right? There are so many different people coming into the United States right now, and there's going to be a lot of marketing dollars put behind reaching those people. Okay, so make sure that that localization, you focusing on your strong suits, your accents, and think of an accent as, no matter who we are, we have an accent. And I say that meaning because usually, we as individuals in a certain area, we don't think we have an accent, because that's where we're from, or that's how we speak. But the world in general looks at everybody as, we have an accent, a dialect, a way of speaking from a certain locality. That's what we call localization, right? You speak from that area. Even getting into things where scripts are changed to make sure the vocabulary and the words and the manner of speech matches how people in that area talk. Anyways, that's a really wonderful thing to get yourself into, okay, as well, dubbing and being a part of that. video documentaries in the form of YouTube videos, social media videos. Those are just through the roof. And that's the majority of what everybody does now. Okay. And being a part of that, understanding that is important. Also, what's really starting to grow too is the ability for people like us to target local small businesses. And that doesn't have to be local, just be small business in general. Meaning that we have the tools now to put together content that does not have to be, like I'm looking outside thinking like of a video shoot. It does not have to be $1 million TV ad, right? We can put videos together of still imagery, right, with nice background music, good narration, good pictures, and sell the actual ads themselves, the videos themselves directly. That's a huge thing right now, because the reality is that people, all of us small businesses especially, we're on budgets. We don't have a lot of money. So any cost savings we can get, and while helping, you know what I mean, is a great opportunity for all of us. I really see those areas as huge trending areas that are going to be really beneficial for you to hop on and get going. And that doesn't mean that e-learning or any of these other industries these genres still aren't looking for voiceover actors, but some of them have been hit a little bit harder with AI, and I think e-learning sadly has hit for us as voice actors, hit very hard. A lot of the people who create e-learning, they really do enjoy using AI voices, and it is what it is. A lot of them do come back to us, and I think they'll come back because over time, again, the AI voices kind of fall apart. But the reality is that AI is a competitor, so just look at it that way. But I really suggest hopping in on those trending areas. Don't be afraid to also, if you are a go-getter, you can be a little bit more ambitious with how much of the marketing side, or how much of the marketing side of like a marketing agency you become. All right, as a voice actor as well, right? What do you offer? And finding niche areas really is beneficial. That's a big thing, right? Really focusing your efforts on niche areas, because that's going to help you cut through a lot of the traffic. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope that just gave you some ideas and some thoughts. Make sure you check out, again, Avio's Journey Elite Academy. We're offering $24 for the first month, as well as 30% off our courses. So give us a shot. I know you're going to love it. With everything we've got to offer, it's a great opportunity. So thank you guys so much for watching. You have a wonderful Friday. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.